For the final trade of the day, we have Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot, joining us now. Joel, what's your trade of the day?
Good morning. Thanks for having me, Angie. Today I'm taking a look at Amazon. I think with a lot of the bulk of the economic data behind us here as we're rolling into some of the final weeks of the year, I think right now, here's a name that is definitely poised to see some action. I think the FANG stocks are definitely going to see an increase of volume. So this is one that's definitely on my eyes here.
What's your strategy with this stock? Would you just outright buy shares?
Well, it's trading right around 99 currently. And I think here going into it, I think we may test $100 levels. So I am slightly bullish. I am going to buy some shares here and perhaps maybe use options to trade around those shares. If we get any kind of shock in the market and we start to see any kind of reversion to the downside, I'll use options to kind of leverage and trade around my shares. But I definitely want to own shares here just shy of $100 right now.
When you say you might use some options, what would you do exactly?
Well, I think ultimately when I would use things like covered calls, if I buy shares, I would then, if we start to see any weakness in the stock, I could then sell short dated calls against those shares just to pick up income and kind of hedge some of those losses. It's a kind of strategy that I would typically use when I have a longer term bias for a stock, but short term I see there's weakness and I want to generate some income.
We always enjoy you, Joel. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.